Hello everyone, welcome to my show. This is your host Uday Pratap. Welcome to Taste of Fiji. Today I will show you a signature Fijian dish, lamb curry. Lamb curry is a very common dish among the Fijian community. Whenever there is a function, party or a gathering, or if you invite some guests at your home, this would be considered the dish. Fijians love lamb curry. Sitting down, drinking with friends and buddies, hey, let's kick out some lamb curry. So I am going to show you how to do a signature Fijian lamb curry. You with me? Right, let's get it on! Well guys, the dish is all done. It's time for testing this baby. Wow. You know what? Everybody cooks lamb curry. The last kick that I did in there with the little spice that I grinded, that actually infused all these spices into the curry. I'm telling you, try this dish and make sure you try that kicker I grounded. Okay? With me? Hope you enjoyed my show. Also hope you picked up those spices I mentioned on my previous show from the Asian supermarket. And now you can make your own curry paste rather than paying for it. Isn't it easy? I tell ya. Well, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Until then, like we Fijians say, Hisamode.